Hi everyone, welcome to the post-market report for the 19th of August 2026. Here we are going to discuss how the markets traded today along with some stocks in news as well as bonus coverage of a commodity in focus. First and foremost, let us check out what transpired for Nifty today. Nifty opened in the red and headed lower as it closed with a negative bias once again with the index falling by 0.32% or 76.60 points to end the day at 24,078.30. The correction seen today was due to elevated crude oil prices amid heightened geopolitical tensions, weak global cues, and higher bond yields. Most sectors ended in the red, with chemicals witnessing the biggest correction, while IT gained the most. Volatility for the index dipped mildly. Levels may be moved lower given today's correction, with supports now being at 24,045 followed by 23,960, while resistances may be placed at 24,135 followed by 24,240. For tomorrow, given the bleak external cues, unless there is a steep correction in crude oil prices, along with strong global cues, the index may head lower. Though Nifty faced a stiff support near 24,000, there is a high chance for the level to be broken if selling pressure persists. A mild recovery due to value buying was expected today, but the buying interest did not materialize, so traders may expect the negative bias to continue. Nifty may be expected to witness stronger positive momentum above 24,675, while a break below 23,830 could result in selling pressure intensifying further. Next, we proceed to check how SENSEX fared. SENSEX 2 closed lower as it fell by 0.42% or approximately 326 points at approximately 76,910. Levels for Sensex may be adjusted downwards with supports now being at 76,755 followed by 76,515 while resistances may be placed at 76,995 followed by 77,300. Sensex may be expected to be bullish above 78,080 while bearishness may dominate if the index falls below 76,190. Now, let us take a look at how crude oil has traded thus far. Crude oil prices have continued trading sideways with a positive bias today as it stabilizes at higher levels amid lack of progress between the US and Iran. No headway has been made on a possible deal, and traffic of the commodity through the Strait of Hormuz has slowed down to a trickle. Volatility for crude has dipped significantly as compared to yesterday. Levels for crude oil may be adjusted upwards with supports now being at 8,200 followed by 8,130, while resistances may be placed at 8,270 followed by 8,350. Crude prices may be expected to keep trading sideways with a mild positive bias as US inventory data is due to be released at 8:30 p.m. today evening. Elevated prices are expected to continue and buying the dip currently seems the more prudent approach with caution around the aforementioned time. Progress regarding the reopening of the Strait of Hormuz, however unlikely, may cause a drop in prices to lower levels. Crude oil may be expected to witness buying momentum intensify above 8,270 while a break below 7,700 could send prices lower. Finally, let us look at a few stocks in the news today. Vedanta has invested more than $1 billion in net zero transition initiatives during FY26 as part of its efforts to reduce emissions and increase the use of cleaner energy. The group's renewable energy utilization rose 52% year-on-year to 4 billion units during 2025 to 26. Tata Group's Nelco is targeting a direct-to-device satellite communication launch by 2028, with trials expected to begin by the end of 2027. The company aims to make India an early market for its D2D services while also exploring opportunities in Bangladesh and Sri Lanka. Sugar stocks rallied sharply, with Bajaj Hindustan Sugar, Dwarikesh Sugar and Sri Renuka Sugars gaining around 5 to 10% as tighter supplies pushed domestic sugar prices higher. Investors are also tracking the government's potential move on sugar import duties, which could influence domestic prices and producer margins. Before we sign off, we would like to let you know that free webinars will be conducted on Friday and over the weekend. On Friday at 3:15 p.m., Mr. Sanjay Ji will be conducting a webinar on the topic Improve Your Trading Accuracy with a Powerful Trendline plus Rule-Based Candlestick plus EMA Scalping Strategy. On Saturday at 12 p.m., Mr. Amol Chapi will be conducting a webinar on the topic Increase Your Probability Using Liquidity, Round Number Patterns, Double Top and Double Bottom Strategy. And on Sunday at 3 p.m., Mr. Chetan Gupta will be conducting a webinar on the topic Volatility-Based Options Trading Strategy using IV Rank, IV Percentile and Vega. To check the description for the webinar links. With this, we end our post-market report for today. Thanks a lot for watching, and as always, do not forget to add a like, share the video and subscribe to our channel for stock market related updates.